Hi guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we are here at JustBe Café, an absolutely gorgeous space that serves up some delicious, healthy food to boot. The food here is completely oil-free, and it's also whole plant-based, so you know you're getting absolutely healthy food that is good for your body and is absolutely delicious as well. So let's go and check it out and see what it's like.
I'm Nadina Hata. It's been 2 years since we opened JustBe, and our journey with the space, with JustBe, has been incredible. The response which we're getting from people who come here to have an healthy option, anything from the menu they can choose, and that's healthy. So that's the uniqueness of our space.
So we just had an absolutely amazing healthy experience at JustBe Café. One of the things we love about the place is that they don't expect you to give up on your favorite dishes. So for example, on the menu, they've got lasagna, they've got a sushi bowl, they've even got tiramisu. So all they believe in doing is preparing it in the right way so that it's healthy and it's good for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry.